In this tutorial, we will be installing a SIM card in your DataFlex. To do this, you will require a 2mm hex key. Start by opening the case. Please ensure that all power is removed from the device before continuing. Unplug the external hard disk drive and gently remove from the top panel. Velcro has been used to prevent it from coming loose. Now, take the hex key and remove all 12 top panel screws, being careful not to lose them. The entire cover plate must be removed so we can access the modem underneath. Remove the left-hand cover plate from the box. Gently lift up the front of the right-hand cover plate to access the USB cables. First, disconnect the USB-A connector from the panel mount receptacle and remove the other end from the top USB-C port on the Compact Rio chassis. Then, remove the external hard disk drive cable from the bottom port. You can now lift off the right-hand cover plate and gently put it to one side. To access the modem, reach into the box and lever up the left side of the internal chassis to expose the SIM card slots. Remove the rubber dust cover. Please note, this device is dual SIM compatible. Grab the SIM card you are installing. Ensure you have the correct size, as this device will only accept micro SIMs. The card is installed with the contacts facing down and with the notch end in first. Push the SIM card in firmly until it clicks. This will ensure proper installation. As you can see, this may take a few attempts. Find the rubber dust cover and put it back in place. Gently lower the chassis down and, using the two vertical supports, press down firmly to secure in place. To reinstate the top panel, locate the USB-A to USB-C cable and connect it to the top USB-C port on the Compact Rio chassis labelled Device/Console. Then, install the external hard disk drive cable by placing the right-hand top panel as shown and connecting the free end of the cable into the port labelled Host. Take the loose USB-A connector and plug it into the receptacle on the back of the top panel. Tuck the cables away so they won't catch and lower the top panel into position. Locate the left-hand top panel section and put it back in place with the logo facing up. Take the 2mm hex key and replace the top panel screws. It is recommended you install them loosely at first to properly center the panel sections, and then tighten with just enough torque to hold the panels down. Over-tightening the screws may cause the thread inserts to dislodge. Finally, plug the external hard disk drive into the protruding USB-C cable and press down gently onto the Velcro to secure in place. And that's it! Your DataFlex should now be ready for use. For further information or technical queries, please get in contact by emailing us at support@resonatesystems.com.au.